Hi everyone, so Christmas is just around the corner, so I thought I'd show you how to fold this origami Santa hat. And what's cool about this model is that it's wearable. You can open up the bottom and you can put your head inside and you can wear it. Well, if you folded a life-size one. But if you want to fold this, then grab some paper and let's get folding. Alright, so for a model this size, I'm going to use a 6-inch square. This model is easy medium level complexity and you can fold it in about 8 minutes. Alright, so let's start white side up and let's valley fold diagonally in half. And let's unfold and let's rotate and repeat. Let's unfold. Now we're going to sort of valley fold in half, but we're only going to valley fold on the right side. So just valley fold here till you've almost reached the center, sort of about there. And let's unfold. And then now we want to make another pinch, bringing this edge up to this crease. And we're just going to pinch just about right here. You just want to make sure that the pinch goes through this other pinch mark right here. And let's unfold. And you should see we should have this X right here. Alright, now we want to fold this point to this point. Alright, now let's turn this way and let's turn over and let's valley fold along the center crease. Like that. And then let's valley fold point to point. Like that. And then let's unfold this middle flap and let's make this fold first and then bring this fold in front. So our model should look like that. Alright, now we're going to make the brim of the hat, and to do that we first want to fold this point up to this point. And then let's unfold. Then you want to make a fold connecting this point to this point. Let's unfold, and let's unfold completely. And then let's turn over. And then we want to bring this crease up to this crease here, kind of like a pleat. And then we want to valley fold this up, aligning it with the edge behind. And then we want to valley fold this point down to this point. Unfold this, then we're going to refold this just using valley folds. So valley fold here, 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 and one more time. So just 4 folds, like that. And then now we want to remake this kind of U-shaped fold. So we're just going to valley fold up on that crease, but just in the center. And then you want to bring this side in while making this crease, so push it in and then push this side in like that. So the model should look like this, but then on the other side it will look like this. So we want to tuck this flap inside here, so let's just do that, just tuck it underneath the flap, and now it's one continuous white strip. But as you can see, the top of the hat is a bit zigzaggy, so we're going to fix that. So let's make a valley fold between this point and this point, connecting the two. Let's unfold and then just mount and fold that inside. And then we're going to do the same over here. Alright, and now we have a brim for our Santa hat. Alright, now we're going to make the hat crooked and add a little pom pom in it. And the first step is actually we're going to unfold this because this left flap needs to be in the front. So let's tuck the left flap into the right pocket instead of the right pocket in the left pocket. And now we should have a line going to the right, like that. Alright, now we can mount and fold this behind, and this is really to preference. You just want to fold it just something like that. Enough room here so that we can make a pom-pom on the end. So I'd say that's about good. Alright, now you want to valley fold this up, and this is kind of also to preference, but you just want a little bit of color exposed on each of the ends. Kind of like that. Alright, and then now let's mount and fold this flap behind, and it's going to start at this point and end somewhere here. Again, this is a preference fold, so it's kind of to taste, but you kind of want it to look a little something like that. Yeah, I think that looks good. Alright, now let's turn over, and then we're going to make a valley fold like this, and it should end about at the center crease here. And one thing you also want to keep in mind is that there will be this little triangle, this little white triangle that you can see. You want to fold it just until that white triangle has just disappeared. And if you look on the other side, yeah, it should look something like that. Alright, and then now let's turn it this way, and we want to open this little bit of white here and just squash it to the left, just like that. And if we look on the other side, this is what it's done. So before it was just flush with the red bit, and then now we've opened it up just a tiny bit, just to give a bit more room in there, a bit more white, like that. Alright, now we're going to mount and fold this point behind, like that. We're trying to make kind of an octagon here. Alright, and then we're going to mount and fold this tiny corner behind as well, like that. And then we're going to mount and fold this rock corner inside just a little bit, and we're estimating an octagon, so it should look like that. And then one final step is, just to make it look a bit nicer, we're going to take this flap and put it in this pocket, so just kind of push it in there. And then one final thing is this flap is going to go in this red pocket here. And then that kind of gives a nice lock, as you can see right here. And if we turn over, that is our Santa hat. So I hope you enjoyed folding this, and Merry Christmas, and in the meantime, have fun folding. Bye.